I was running my car and the fan belt was squeaking like hell. So I tightened it, put some soap on it, and it still was squeaking like hell. I'm going to show you something that a family member showed me yesterday. What it was the alternator squeaking when it's on the road, not actually the belt. Put the battery back on the road. Here, I don't know if you can see, but I've been running my car and it's been squeaking like hell. I tightened up the fan belt here. Yeah, okay, it's a bit loose. You know, I can spin it around a little bit, but the problem, I still couldn't find out why, and I even put soap on it, on the